All that innocent, all that baby raw. Voila!
This good guy.
Was that so hard? It's October. Awesome. When you understand that this dog is months and this dog is 2 years and a half going to 3, you know, but this dog is big, bro. And it's on a lanky stage. Look, bro, in my opinion, she's already bigger than this older dog now. But this is my baby. She's a Merle, man. Look at the 2 colors. She's a Merle. Look at the 2 eye colors, man. Hey, make sure she doesn't take anything from there. That's her sister right there. Sister's a savage. Don't let her fool you. She's a fighter. Does way too much. K-Dot. What's up, girl? Give me my keys, bro. I gotta go get your sister. All right, open the gate. Let's go. Imagine her now at 3 years. You should see her mom, bro, and her dad. Beastie. Beastie doggies. Beastie doggies. Beastie doggies. And when the time comes, I'm gonna plug it to the right dog. It's eggs everywhere. Look, there's an egg right here. This was for the goats, but then there's a hole right there, so I just put it against over here to make it like kind of like a coop. Look, there's an egg right there. Ow. More eggs. Oh, dead chicken. Oh, it's a chicken here, but more eggs, more eggs. Goats probably eating eggs just like. Sheesh. Gus and his girls. See him? This is Gus and his girls. This is Gus and his. This is Goku and his girls. Everybody got their own girls. But let's get on to these eggs, man. Let's get on to these eggs, man. It's just eggs everywhere. I just noticed even right here, look. I'm not even gonna touch it. This is Goku and his girls' eggs. Look at that. Man, it's just eggs everywhere. Eggs. Oh, hold on. More eggs. Eggs. You know what I'm saying? If you try to rub me, they'll pop you.
Halala sanbongela, halala sanbongela we. Halala sanbongela.